Hey, if you're looking for basically a brand new construction home that's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just about 10 minutes outside of Bemidji, and has a design like I've never seen before, then you're gonna love this listing that we're gonna check out today. We are at 7820 Quaden Drive Northwest. And while the name might sound a little bit interesting, this house sure does deliver. This is a Mosted construction home. It was just completed in 2023 and it is on the market now. I don't want to waste any more time, so I think we need to head on inside and take a tour. But first, I want to give a big thank you to Jamie Mosted of Realty Experts for letting us showcase this property today. But with that out of the way, let's go take a tour. So one thing that I want to touch on before we head on inside is just the design of this house. It's something that we don't see hardly ever. I've never seen this specific design here in the Bemidji area, but this more modern take on kind of your 3-bedroom home. These garage doors with the windows are super cool, and these little overhangs that are over each garage door, that's also really cool. The stonework is really nice. So then if we head on inside, kind of a split level design. We have this really great open foyer here with a huge closet off of here. I mean, talk about being able to hang all of your jackets, put all of your shoes. I'm pretty sure just between my wife and I, we would fill this entire thing up with shoes. But front door right there, and right off here is your double attached garage. So you can see just how much light those windows actually bring in. So it's fully insulated, heated, and there is an air conditioner back here as well. Double garage, you've got floor drains. It looks like you've got gas and electric heater over here, so you get options for both. And then I guess I didn't even see this either. So you get an extra little storage room back here. This is cool. Completely finished off storage room too on the back side. So if you wanted to, you could turn this into a little office, I suppose. And then you do, below the AC, you do have a little dog door as well. So heading back in, we'll head upstairs. So you do have this really, honestly, really cool metal staircase railing. And you come right up into your living room and kitchen area. And then you've got, obviously, you've got lots of natural light that comes in from the front of the house. And then you do have a nice sized deck that actually overlooks your just over 1 acre property. As you can see, there's new construction going up back here too. So this is a brand new development by Mosted Construction. But this kitchen, I mean, wow. Normally kind of this knotty pine type look kitchen cabinets, not typically my taste, but I really like the way that they've done it here with the light colored countertops, stainless steel appliances, knotty, you know, kind of this knotty pine look cabinet, and then the black accents. It ties it all together really nicely, along with this really nice tiled backsplash as well. Huge kitchen island. You could see, let's see, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 bar stools around that. So who needs a dining table when you can seat 8 people around your kitchen island? You do have your pantry right here to keep all your stuff. This back here, I wasn't quite sure what this buffet style table thing was for, but then I saw where the outlets were placed. That's where you could put all of your kitchen appliances like your toaster, coffee maker, what have you. And then you also get another little closet here. So plenty of, between your closet space and your cabinet space, you should have plenty of space to be able to put all of your kitchen items. And then you do have your living room too. That's got this really cool black shiplap board fireplace that's electric. You can change the color of the flame with this remote here. I was playing around with it before I started recording. So if I hit the flame button, green and red and multicolored, an orange with a little bit of blue at the bottom, and then blue again. And then you do have your outlet already ran up here for your TV, which is really nice. So you can get that really clean install. Now, I'm not gonna go up this ladder for the 3rd time because my legs are a little bit too long for those rungs. I almost fell getting up it. But I'll overlay a clip. You can see that it's essentially a little loft area that you could use for extra storage, or if you've got some kiddos, They could have a little play area up top. And then you do have your primary suite up here too. So this room is massive. Again, you get a lot of really nice natural light, even with this black paint color, which typically deadens a lot of natural light. This room has a ton of natural light, and when it's dark out and you need extra, you've got 4 pot ceiling lights here, and then you've got this really cool kind of chandelier with ceiling fan kind of all integrated in there. So that's a really great look. Then you've got the barn door that goes into your huge walk-in closet, again with plenty of shelf space and hanging space. And then you actually continue into the main floor bathroom, which is also your primary bathroom. So you've got your toilet's got its own room, a couple doors here. You get your linen closet in here, and then you get the double vanity sink, and then a huge walk-in tiled shower with that rain head. I would need to adjust that a little bit. That'd be a little bit low for me, but that is a really, really great bathroom. Then you're back out into your main living area again. I think we have just about 2,400 square feet. I forgot my listing sheet out in the garage across these 2 levels. Then downstairs, you've got a huge family room that is a walkout to your backyard. So tons of space for an extra family room, play room, whatever you want to do down here. Now, obviously with this being built just in 2023, pretty much everything's brand new. Your septic is still compliant from the date of install. You've got a new well. All of your appliances are all basically brand new. And just off of this family room is your utility room. So you've got your propane forced air furnace and air conditioning. You have an instant hot water heater, which is really cool, so you'll never run out of hot water. Air-to-air exchanger here, and then your water softener there as well. And then just over here is the laundry room. So you do have a sink, you've got a spot where you can fold clothes. You've also got more of the really nice cabinetry down here. It's all soft close to where you can keep all of your extra stuff. Then you've got a new LG stackable washer and dryer. You can see me in the reflection there too. And then you've got your other 2 bedrooms and your other bathroom down here. So both really good sized rooms. It's kind of these double door closet. So just your standard size closet, but I like that they went with these kind of French doors rather than the standard closet doors. Just gives it a different look than you normally see. Again, 2 good sized windows down here. We're not fully underground because we are built kind of out into a hill. You get a lot of really great natural light in this house. I know I've said it a couple times, but it's something that, you know, especially being in a basement, you just don't really get that. And currently right now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon in the summer, so we're kind of at peak sunlight, but still, here is your bathroom down here. So you do have a full tub down here, full bath, and then your other bedroom, about the same size as the other one, also with the same concept. This closet seems a little deeper, but not by much. And then I suppose we could go check out the backyard real quick. So like I said, you're on just over an acre. I believe it's like 1.12 or 1.21 or something like that. So your walkout, there's your deck off of your kitchen. And then you've got all of this space here. Your dogs, kiddos, friends, family, be able to host a lot of things back here. Really great settings, very quiet out here. And like I said in the beginning, we're only about, I'd say about 10 minutes from Walmart, Target, kind of our main shopping hub, our shopping mall, all those types of things. So we're really not that far out of town either. So there you have it. There is 7820 Quaden Drive Northwest. Road name is a little difficult to say. This home is definitely not difficult to love. Let me grab my listing sheet here. So we are currently on the market for $449 even. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,744 square feet. Like I said, double attached garage that you saw. This is a really great property and such a cool floor plan and such a cool design, something that we don't see very often around here. So if you're interested in taking a tour of this property, you can click the link in the description or call or shoot me a text, area code 218-308-1230, and I'd love to show you around this property. If you're currently in the Bemidji area or moving to the area, this is a great spot for you. Again, I'd like to thank Jamie Mosted of Realty Experts for letting us take a tour of this property. If you have any other questions, leave those down in the comment section down below.